you get angry, you get like upset, and this is exactly the thing that we need to address more within ourselves. It's a very low frequency.
It's jazz. First day of the year, 1991. Yeah, the African dragon was born. I came a long way, been through it all.
Welcome back to Jesse's Higher Level Show. Let's talk about detachment. We need to practice more detachment. It's funny because when I try to record these record this video today, I had some difficult technical difficulties and the audio was not working. So I had to switch over to this mic and use the audio from the mic. If you're like me and you're a creator, you set up your stuff and something is just not working, how does that make you feel? You get angry, you get like upset, and this is exactly the thing that we need to address more within ourselves to control that feeling and emotion. And and ironically, this is exactly the topic that I wanted to talk about today. So, do you know these monks that have this teaching where they have to build these huge mandala circles with sand corns, and they build these mandalas with such a precision and detail for days, only for them to destroy it once they're finished. They built this for days, these huge, beautiful mandalas, only to destroy it when they're finished. Why are they doing this? It's exactly the same reason to practice more detachment and to be more aligned um with your calm and peaceful mind. And in order to do that, we have to go multiple ways of learning how to control certain emotions, and anger management is certainly one big part of it. And this is one um, practice to this is one way to practice to let go of things, to not have so much ego over things like, I made this belongs to me, and this is mine. We need to let go to grow. And this is something that I recently heard in a song, and I just love it. It just stuck with me. Let go to grow. It's beautiful. And when they are doing this, you see that they have no resentment, they are not emotionally entangled with that, with destroying what they were building. They are not. This is something crucial and fundamental to know when you try to manifest, because when you want to when you want your desire to manifest in this 3D level of existence, you need to you need to be aware of your emotions, because your emotions are the fuel for your manifestations. And when your emotions are not aligned with what you're trying to accomplish, if you have your manifestation entangled with emotions of fear and doubt, your manifestations will not happen. It will not happen. So manifestations are fueled by emotions. Those thoughts, that the light wave that you send out with their thoughts are fueled with the emotion. And when you manifest with emotions of doubt, that your manifestation is going to happen is highly unlikely. So if you are anger with something or whatever it is, you just stand in your own way, and you wonder why it doesn't happen. You wonder why it doesn't work, and you wonder why, and you get even more angry, even more disappointed. You see, it goes on and on and on. That's why we have to control our emotions. It's so important. And to for this self-discovery that we are on, and this journey, there is no way around it. So build your own ways of controlling and being aware of your emotions and your actions and behavior. And also behavior, that's a big topic of me recently. I just love seeing how the ancients still teach us ways how to better ourselves, how to become a better version of ourselves. So many ways in Tibet. You know that Yeshua, Jesus, Yeshua is the real name. He was in Tibet, and this is one of the things that are left out from from the Bible. But it's you can read this in this and the other book that what's the name again, 12 something. He was in Tibet. He was in Egypt as well. They taught him those ancient ways, those Reiki healing. And in Egypt, he was taught by those Egyptian mysteries, the thought Egyptian mysteries, and where they talk about spirituality, where they talk about how to manifest your reality in all those laws of the universe that I'm also teaching in my upcoming workshop event as part of my new program. If you want to learn more about that, I have the link in the description. This is only for the ones that are really want to transform and want to shift their mindset and have a more fulfilled life and even better their passions, be more creative, for better flow, for better understanding. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna it is gonna be a 2 day event, and we're gonna touch on a bunch of subjects that really will be impactful for you. The light wave that you send out with their thoughts. Now, let me touch on that a little bit deeper. The frequency that you send out, the frequency is a light, is a wave, is has a waveform, right? And a low frequency like fear and anger and um, doubt and whatsoever, those frequency, that is that type of frequency, is a very low frequency. But and this frequency will not resonate with the high frequency. The higher frequency is a authentic, happy self. And when you want to accomplish your goals, when you want to reach those high levels, those big things, and when you want to live your potential self, you can't live in that frequency. You have to live in that frequency. That is the most powerful and most authentic self frequency. Authentic and powerful frequency. All right, that's it. Enough for me today. See you in the next episode. Just yeah, peace.